There's this thing that we call the love and hate test, right? So if you've got a book, I want you to draw a line in the middle of the book, going downwards, right? Actually do a T. I like T now. So one going down and then the other one going horizontal. And on the left side, which is the best side, I want you to write down, loved it. And on the right side, which is the other side, I want you to write down, hated it. You with me so far? And what I want you to do is, each day when you wake up, as you go about your day, if you're doing something, when you wake up, if you're having breakfast and you just love the way you're eating that porridge today, and you're like, yo, today the way my hand was working, I loved it. Write it on the loved it side. Today I found a better way to eat my breakfast. Okay? But if you're doing something, there's some things that in your day, like for me, it was when someone would tell me, go and work in the garden, go and do some, I hated it. Still hate it till now. Like, you will not find me in a farm. You'll find me eating what comes from a farm, but you won't find me working in a farm. Because that's one thing that I realized that I was not made to do, and I don't enjoy it when I do it. So for me, if I'm going through the day and someone says, let's go to the farm and do some work, you know it's going to make it to my hated it list. I hated being in the garden, right? So if you've got things that when you do them, it feels like time is not moving fast enough. You feel like you want to sleep. You are begging God to say, can this be over now? That is stuff you hate, okay? But if you find yourself excited, you're thinking about, like, just the thought of doing this activity energizes you. When you do it, time disappears and you're like, I want to do it again. You feel like you're the king or the queen of your thing. When you do it, make sure you put that on your loved it list. And then what you want to do is, as the months go, start going back and start asking yourself, what did I love? What did I hate? And what you'll begin to find about yourself is that you follow a unique pattern. As humans, one of the things that study has shown is that success is repetitive, just like failure is repetitive. So if you take enough time observing yourself, you begin to discover what you are good at. And when you get to that point when you can say, hey, I actually love this, because each time I do it, I get the result I desire. So whenever you find something you are doing well and you keep doing it, what's going to end up happening is you're going to feel like, you know what? This is me. This is my thing. And the more you're good at stuff, that competence is going to allow you to get to a point where if you are afraid of speaking in front of people, but maybe you've realized that you are very good at understanding complex science, or you're very good at math. If I ask you to go and talk to people about math or this science thing you understand, you may be the shyest person in your mind, but when you speak about something that you absolutely love, that you've become good at, you speak of it like you were made for it.